So I'm gonna take ice cube. It closes your pores, it reduces their size, and your skin looks better. I don't like to really moisturize my face. My face is already very combination oily. Now I will apply the sunscreen. I use this every day. Next we have the foundation. If you have seen my previous first video, then you will see that I use the BB or CC cream. So I don't use that anymore. Next is I have this contouring palette contour. This is the first time I'm going to use it. Using this. I have this brush, I'm going to use this. This is not really good. Well, next we have this. This is what I have, and I'm just opening this. Why it's not opening? This is just a highlight. That's fine. I was trying this for the first time. Meanwhile, I will moisturize my lips. So next up we have mascara. So this is the most difficult part. Okay, so there is one more item which I never use. Eyeshadow. Use this color.
Buzzing, buzzing.